January 2nd, 2024, Broward County, Florida. A deputy runs a plate on a red Chevy SUV parked in a fire lane with a headlight out. That routine stop is about to become the first of two cases in this video, both built on the same decision, whether to simply comply. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, an officer may lawfully order anyone out of a vehicle during a valid stop. No extra justification required. That single rule governs almost everything that happens next.
Bravo X-ray 52 November Sierra on a red Chevy SUV. Occupy one time. How you doing?
I'm okay.
You alright? Do you have your license with you? Can I see it, please?
Alright, just come park right here.
Well, you can't park here. It's a fire lane.
Okay, can I go over there?
No, not yet. I need to see your license now.
Just because I'm here?
Yes, you can't be here. I just said that.
Sir, but I just came here.
It doesn't matter. Your car was off and you were parked in the fire lane. What are you doing parking here?
I stopped here because I just go to the place. I think I passed you around there.
You did pass me around there.
I showed him the garbage. I was going to come out and look in the back.
Say again?
I was going to come out and look in the back of the car for my groceries.
Okay.
I think I choked in the garbage.
Thank you. And this is you, Stacy Ann?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have the registration and the insurance for the vehicle?
Sir, it's online. I don't take it out here. Somewhere.
I can't hear you.
I'm coming from work. I don't get a chance to print it.
You don't need a chance to print it. You get it in the mail. You don't have to print it.
No,
It's the registration. Where do you work at? Say again?
Sir, I'm coming from work. I'm a caregiver.
Caregiver where?
In Fort Lauderdale. I'm a caregiver.
Okay, well, don't shout at me like I was supposed to know that.
You keep asking me where.
Yeah, because you didn't answer my question yet. I don't know where you work. I don't even know who you are. So if I ask you where and you say Fort Lauderdale like I'm supposed to know that.
Sir, I work in Fort Lauderdale.
You know, your license says Miramar. That's why I'm asking. You're nowhere near Miramar.
I just don't have to display where you live.
You do what?
Yeah, I just don't have to display where you live.
Yes, it does.
Does it not? No.
Absolutely, it does.
No, it don't.
Do you have an exemption?
You can live in Miami. You can have an address in Miami and live in Fort Lauderdale.
Absolutely not.
I don't know about
Absolutely not. Find me the registration and the insurance now. Now we're having problems.
I don't want to fight right now because I'm not feeling good and I need to go home. If you want to write me a ticket, go ahead.
Where do you live?
Down the street.
That's not helping me.
Sir, go run my license. I'm not wanted. I'm a caregiver.
Where do you live?
The address on there.
No, you told me it's not.
I just give you an example.
Step
No,
out.
sir, you're not
Step out of the car.
allowed to open my-
Step out of the car.
Sir, you're not
Step
allowed
out of the
to
car.
open my vehicle.
Step out of the car. Because now we're having problems, okay?
Sir, you're not allowed to open my vehicle.
I
like
absolutely am. Get out of the car.
that. Sir,
If you don't get out, I'm going to put my hands on you. Step out of the car.
Call 911. Sir, I'm not empty. I'm not empty.
Have my unit step it
You
up.
can't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Sir, wait. You cannot touch me.
Get out of the car. You're going to get tased.
Sir, you
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
somebody help me. Let me call 911. Sir,
Get on the ground.
I'm not empty. Sir.
Get on the f***ing ground. Roll over. Put your hand on your back.
I'm gonna die. Jesus Christ, get off of me.
Stop.
Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Okay, we'll help you up now. Just relax. Just relax. Relax. You have a double
Do it
cup?
in front of me.
Relax, please. Just relax,
got a
ma'am.
left
Ma'am. Ma'am, relax, please.
I'm a nurse. I can't breathe. Please, take me up.
We're gonna get you set up, okay?
I got you.
We're getting you up right now, okay? I got you.
Sir, wait.
There you go, you're up, alright?
Help me up. Sir. Oh my God.
Why did that have to happen?
Sir, you know what happened? I'm just coming from work. I'm a caregiver.
Yeah, well, now you're going to jail, so how'd that work out?
Some garbage. I passed him around the car. You know, I throw it on my grocery in the garbage of a caregiver. And he said, I get it. He said, where's my driver's license?
Are you doing it? So you what?
And he put me on the car.
Probably have to.
He put me on
let him
the
come out
car going to this.
Can I get you up?
Oh, I'm going to get him.
Foot 1, 2, 3, go. This will be a lot.
The driver offers explanations instead of documents. A parked car, a grocery run, a license listing an address she says she no longer uses. Florida law does require drivers to notify the state within 30 days of an address change. That omission alone is a citable offense before anything else goes wrong. When the deputy orders her out, she refuses, repeatedly, and that refusal is the legal turning point. Florida's resisting without violence statute makes obstructing an officer a first-degree misdemeanor. It does not require a struggle. It only requires refusing a lawful order. What follows is a use of force sequence, not a debate. Officers escalate exactly as much as the resistance demands and stop the moment compliance begins. She's charged with resisting without violence, failing to notify of an address change, failing to obey a police officer, and traffic violations tied to the vehicle. Maximum exposure: 16 months in jail, 24 months probation, $2,000 in fines. Second case, same county, different driver, 22 years old, pulled over because her plate returns to a different vehicle entirely.
The woman was charged with resisting an
Girl, and I was coming down this way. I see I'm going the speed limit, and they pulled me over. I don't know why I'm getting pulled over.
Ma'am, do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
I don't know why she's pulling me over, and why I was not speeding.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am, why am I getting pulled over?
because the license plate on your car comes back to a different vehicle.
Because the license plate on my car comes back to a different. Ma'am, this is a rental. I got it from my mom.
Okay.
My phone is in
I still need your license, registration, and insurance.
I don't know the registration. It's not my
Okay,
car.
well, can you take a look, please? Do you have your driver's license with you? Is this your vehicle, or whose car is it?
I don't know. It's a friend of my mom's. I used to take it to work.
Okay, do you know what this friend's name is?
No, sorry.
Okay, so how am I supposed to confirm whose car this is so it's not stolen? If you don't know whose car it is, where you got it from? And do you have your driver's license with you? Do you have a driver's license or no?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
provide me
but
with
I
your
don't
driver's
have anything
license.
on me. Do you want my name? Tykeria.
So you do not have a driver's license on you, is that what you're saying? Ma'am, whoever you're calling is not important right now.
Yes, it is, because you need stuff that I don't
I need your
have.
driver's license first.
You want
I need some sort of ID, something. You said you don't have a driver's license on you, so
I have my... It's my book bag. Do you want it?
I want your license or an ID.
Oh, it's in the book bag. Would you like me to grab it?
Yes, that is what I've been asking you to do. Do you have any driver's license, ID card, nothing like that? Just this?
My license were in there, but I didn't have. I checked it when I went to work.
All right, you can have this back. I'm gonna take your security license just because it has something I can go with. So you don't. Who do you know? Whose name?
My mom. I know the man. I don't know who he is. It's a friend though, because
You don't know his name?
No, because she got into a car accident a couple weeks ago, and he let her borrow the car.
Okay. Do you know where did you pick this up at? You picked this up from your mom's house?
Where? Yeah, my mom. She brought it home.
Okay. So your mom's using the car that she got from her friend, and since it was at your mom's house, you're using it to go to work.
Yes. She
Okay.
let me use it to go to work.
Okay. Can you give your mom a call and then see if she knows?
My phone was dead.
Your phone isn't dead.
It doesn't have no service, man.
Okay. So who are you just on the phone with then?
That was my mom. It was on this phone, ma'am.
Okay, so can you call her then?
It's dead.
You don't have a charger? Okay. So, how did you just talk to her then?
The phone went dead.
It went dead just now?
Yes, while I was on the phone with her, it went dead.
Okay. Well, ma'am, could you step out, please? Until I figure out what's going on here with this car. Ma'am, could you step out of the car, please?
Am I being arrested?
No. You're being detained, as everyone is during a traffic stop. And since I can't figure out what's going on, I'm going to step out of the car until I figure out what's going on.
I'm confused. What am I stepping out of the car for?
Because I'm telling you to. Step out of the car now, or I'll make you step out of the car. I'm not going to ask one again. This is your last chance to do it on your own.
I'm confused, but this don't make no sense. I'm stepping out of the car for no reason. So you should have put handcuffs on me.
No, I'm not, unless you refuse to step out.
I'm gonna ask you, bro. Like, this shit be aggravating.
Ma'am, you can step over here. Over here. Ma'am, over here.
That way.
This
I
way.
don't gotta be disrespectful. I'm listening.
I'm calling you ma'am. Ma'am, over here. Over here, please. Can you come over here, please?
I can hear you.
Then why aren't you doing it? I'm
I don't
asking
want
you
to be that
nicely.
close to you.
I'm
I
saying,
don't want you to touch me. Because I didn't do anything wrong.
okay. Man, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back now.
I don't need you over here. She got me. Oh, what? Stop, bro! Stop! All right, my chest, bro. My chest, bro. That shit hurt. That shit hurt. Bro, that shit hurt. Stop. Bro, that shit hurt. Bro, my arm used to be broke. That shit hurt. Bro. Bro, come on, you stop. Bro, you twisting my wrist. Bro, you're twisting my wrist. Like, what the fuck? No, sir.
Stop moving now.
Got it?
Let's go. Is that in your car?
Why you trying to take my phone? Why you trying to take? Bro, oh my God, bro. I'm finna sue this shit, bro. I'm finna sue y'all, bro. My mama, bro. Bro, my mama, bro. I'm finna sue y'all, bro.
Moving now.
No, you're not even being civilized. You're not even being civilized, bro. Bro,
Let go. What's in your pocket?
my phone.
Let go.
For what? Bro, oh, bro, my arm, bro. I swear to God, bro. Okay, can you get off my wrist? It hurts.
Stop.
All right, I'm trying to twist over so you can get the phone. He lay on it.
I have your phone.
Okay, can you get off my wrist? It hurts. Bro, what the fuck, bro? I don't have nothing else in my pocket. You twisting my wrist.
You're gonna stand up?
You twisting my wrist.
Are you going to stand up? Or
I
no?
don't want me to stand up. He's standing on me. And you twisting my wrist. You just let me to the
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Can I make a complaint? Can I please? Bro, get the fuck off, bro. My thumb is. I feel a heartbeat in my thumb.
Ma'am.
Get off of me.
Stop screaming.
Oh my God.
What is wrong?
Oh my God.
What is wrong?
My baby.
Calm
Oh
down.
my God. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Ma'am, stop. No, your finger is fine.
It's my wrist.
Sit down.
Ow, 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 my wrist. Ow. Ow,
car.
Oh, my wrist!
Have your seat.
I can't feel my wrist! I can't feel my wrist! I'm trying to be civil.
Put your foot in the car.
I can't feel my wrist!
Listen, I can't help you if you don't stop.
She was never trying to help me,
Stop!
sir!
I am a different
She was
person.
never trying
I'm
to
a
help
different
me.
person.
Oh my God!
Relax. I'm a different
Look
person.
at my wrist!
Stop for 1 second and listen. I can't help you if you don't stop screaming.
Oh my God!
Can you stop screaming for 2 seconds so I can help you? Okay. I can't see your wrist. Can you turn so I can see your wrist? Please. Relax. I can help you. You just have to relax. Which wrist is it that's bothering you? Okay. Relax. Please relax.
Oh my God!
Relax for 1 second. I gotta get this key in. Somebody hold this light. Okay, I got you. Just relax. Okay. Alright. Much looser now. Do you have anything in your pocket?
She stole everything from me!
Or do you have anything else in your pocket?
No, sir!
Alright.
They already know. She put me to the ground. He patted me down.
It's all on camera. Just relax, okay? My wrist is coming to check on you.
A plate that doesn't match the car is reasonable suspicion on its own. Under Terry versus Ohio, that's enough to detain and investigate. It is not yet an arrest, and the deputy says so directly on camera. The driver can't explain who owns the car, can't name the friend who supposedly lent it to her mother, and produces a dead phone seconds after using it to make a call. None of that is illegal by itself, but it is exactly the kind of inconsistency that extends a stop from routine to investigative. She's not carrying a license. What she does have, an ID pulled from a book bag, becomes the deputy's only way to confirm who's actually behind the wheel. When she's told to step out so the deputy can sort out ownership of the car, she refuses to, and the same statute that applied to the first case applies here. Charges resisting without violence, attaching a plate to an unregistered vehicle, and driving while license suspended. Maximum exposure, 18 months in jail, 30 months probation, $2,500 in fines. 2 stops, 2 refusals, 2 nearly identical outcomes, and neither driver was ever accused of the crime that started the interaction. The officers get a B+. Both stops start compliant and escalate only after repeated refusals, not before. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged by what a reasonable officer knew in the moment, not in hindsight. On that standard, both hold up. The paperwork was slower than the takedown. The first driver gets a D. The stop was for a headlight in a fire lane, a fix-it ticket at worst. An unregistered address turned it into a citation. Refusing to exit turned it into 4 charges. Compliance was free. She paid for the alternative. The second driver also gets a D. A mismatched plate is a fair question, not an accusation. Answering it honestly likely ends the stop in minutes. Instead, the inconsistencies multiplied the suspicion, and the resistance multiplied the charges. The lesson in both cases is the same. An officer's order to exit a vehicle during a lawful stop doesn't require you to agree with it, it only requires you to comply with it. Every legal objection has a courtroom for it. A traffic stop isn't that courtroom. If you want more body cam breakdowns, the moments where one decision changes everything, subscribe. New cases every week. Tell us in the comments, which stop should have ended differently and where. We'll see you in the next one.